Is a smart lock actually the future of home security, or is it just an expensive way to overcomplicate opening your front door? Well, this is the Nuki Smart Lock Pro. It's £229, and after living with it on auto unlock for weeks, here's whether it's actually worth trusting with your front door. A quick disclaimer before we do get into this review, Nuki did send me the Smart Lock Pro for review here, however that doesn't change anything that you're about to hear. Every opinion on this video is my own and this is not a sponsored video. Before you even buy one of these, Nuki has an online questionnaire that walks you through your specific door and cylinder to find out what actually fits out of their collection. I used it myself and it's genuinely one of the more thoughtful parts of the whole experience. You're not guessing whether this thing will even work on your door before you actually spend the money, which I found really useful. My first reaction when taking the Nuki Smart Lock Pro out of the box in my unboxing video, which you can check out on the channel, was just how much smaller it actually is than I really expected it to be. It's really compact, it feels genuinely premium in the hand, and once it's mounted, it doesn't look out of place on my door at all. It actually blends in rather than screaming smart home gadget. Part of that comes down to the build. This is a stainless steel body, which is about 57mm across, and comes with both black and white base rings, so you can actually match it to your door rather than being stuck with one look that they give you. Nuki has also moved to a new brushless motor on this generation, which is exactly the same kind of motor tech that you'd find in electric vehicles. And it's genuinely a step up from the older brushed motors. It's quieter and rated as multiple times faster than the previous generation of these. Now here's what actually surprised me the most about the Nuki Smart Lock Pro. It was honestly how simple the setup was. The Nuki app walks you through every step, like mounting the plate, pairing the lock, calibrating how many turns it takes to lock your door, and for me, the whole thing took under 10 minutes. There was no drilling, there was no need to understand the tech behind it, just following the instructions that the app gave me. When I was looking at the spec sheet and the information on this product, one feature that I didn't expect to care as much as I actually do is the choice of locking speeds. In the app, you can pick between gentle, standard, or the fastest insane mode. Gentle is quieter and better suited for nighttime, so it's not clunking away while everyone's asleep. While insane mode gets the door locked in around a second and a half. That's down to the new brushless motor. Nuki reckon it's over 3 times faster than their previous generations, and earlier models only gave you one speed to begin with. So being able to actually tune that rather than being stuck with one fixed speed is a nice bit of extra control that most smart locks don't even bother giving you. Day to day, I'm mainly using the auto unlock and geofencing. The door unlocks as I approach and locks again once I'm gone, so I'm not manually reaching for my phone or a key most of the time. Once it's set up, this is genuinely where the Nuki Smart Lock Pro earns its keep. You just stop thinking about locking or unlocking your door altogether, and for me, that's revolutionary. Beyond just unlocking for me, the app lets you hand out access to other people without giving them a physical key at all. You can grant permanent access to family or set up temporary or limited time codes for guests, a cleaner, or anyone else who only needs to get in occasionally. And you can pull that access the moment that you don't want them to have it anymore. You also get notifications every time the door is locked or unlocked, which is genuinely reassuring if you're out and just want to check that nobody's left the door open. Now, something that really mattered to me and actually impacted me with this product, and something that's genuinely made a bigger difference than I expected, was that before this product, if I ever got that nagging feeling driving down the road, wondering whether I'd locked the front door, my only option was to turn the car around, go back, check the lock, and see that I had in fact locked it, which I had done every single time, but I've just had that paranoia about it. With the Nuki Smart Lock Pro, I just open the app and see the status of the door straight away. It's either locked or it's unlocked, no doubt about it. And then of course I can lock it or unlock it from the app. That one change alone has been genuinely worth it for me. Just being able to remove that "did I lock the door" moment without having to physically go back, turn the car around and check. That's real improvement to my life. When it comes to charging, this is done through a magnetic cable rather than a plug-in port, so there's no risk of damaging a port every time someone opens the door while it's charging. You just click the cable on and it connects magnetically, very similar to MagSafe on MacBooks. A full charge takes around 2 hours, and Nuki rate the battery to last for months between the charges, which tracks with how little I've had to think about it since I set mine up. You can charge it while it's still mounted on the door, or you can even take it off the door and charge it elsewhere if that's easier. The Nuki Smart Lock Pro also plugs into whatever smart home setup that you're already running. Alexa, Google Homes, Apple Homes, SmartThings, and Matter over Thread are also supported. So this isn't just a lock that only works inside of its own app.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
If you're already building out a smart home, it slots in as just another connected device rather than something siloed off on its own. The Wi-Fi is built straight in as well, so there's no bridge or hub to buy for the remote access to it, which some competitors still charge extra for. On the security side, which, let's be honest, matters more here than on any other gadget that you'll buy, it uses end-to-end encryption, it's designed and made in Europe with GDPR compliance, and it's been independently security tested by AV-Test. You can also run the whole thing without creating a Nuki account, which keeps all of your data locally on your phone rather than sitting on those external servers. There's one thing worth taking seriously before you buy this, and it's probably the single most important part of this whole review. My door can be locked and unlocked from the outside with a physical key, even with the Nuki fitted, because my cylinder in my door has what's called an emergency function, sometimes listed as an external key override. That matters because the Nuki sits over your existing cylinder with a key permanently inserted on the inside. Without that emergency function, your outside key simply won't turn because, of course, there's that physical key on the inside. So you'll lose the ability to lock or unlock the door manually from the outside altogether. The good news is that it's actually more fixable than I initially assumed. Nuki's own guidance is that most locks can be retrofitted with an emergency function by a locksmith. So you're not necessarily looking at replacing the entire cylinder, though you can swap it for their universal cylinder if you'd rather, and that seems like a fairly simple setup as well. And if your cylinder can't be retrofitted at all, then Nuki actually point you towards the Smart Lock Ultra, which comes with a compatible cylinder in the box. There are a couple of other physical requirements worth checking too. Your key needs to be no thicker than 4mm and stick out no more than 37mm from the cylinder for it to physically fit inside of the lock. All of this gets checked by that online questionnaire that I spoke about earlier, which is exactly why I'd push you to run it before you spend anything. Before we do get into my verdict, if you'd like to check out the Nuki Smart Lock Pro for yourself, I put an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Every purchase made through that link, whether it be this product or anything else on Amazon, does help support the channel so much. So if you are purchasing this or anything else, please do use our link. It really does help support the channel, and thank you so much for all of the support on the affiliate links down in the description. So the question we asked at the beginning of the video, is this the future of home security? For day-to-day convenience, honestly, in my experience, yes. The setup is simple, the build feels premium, and the auto unlock feature genuinely changes how you interact with your front door, or indeed any door, in your house. At £229 is not cheap, of course, but I would still buy this without hesitation. Just make sure that your door's cylinder supports emergency operation from the outside before you commit, because that's the one thing that turns this from just a genuine smart upgrade into a much bigger project than you originally bargained for. If this review has helped you out, then of course make sure to leave a like rating on this video. Make sure to subscribe to ZapFeed so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Again, if you'd like to check out this product, then the affiliate link is down in the description down below, and of course any purchases made through there do help support the channel greatly. If you'd like to check out the unboxing of this product and learn more about it, then check out this video that's on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching this review, and we'll see you in the next one.